The best programming language to learn in 2020 is...
So you want to become a JavaScript developer?
I'm just kidding, let's go back to the video. Hey guys, and welcome back with your host, ex-Google, ex-Facebook, extraordinary tech lead. Today we will discuss about a topic that no one in the history of YouTube has ever talked about, and because I'm a pioneer, I'll start it myself. I will tell you, based on the most trustworthy sites like Dix4Dix and Wikipedia, what is the best programming language for you to learn in 2020. I will be comparing 5 programming languages, and the way I'm going to decide which one is the best is going to be based on these 5 parameters: popularity, demand on the market, ease to learn, salary, and that it's not PHP. Alright, so let's start. Java, the language many of you dislike because it's just for smart people, like me. Java has been on the top 3 most popular programming languages since the year 2000. That means even before many of you were born, you TikTok lovers. But based on Google Trends, Java has been losing traction for the past 5 years. However, it ranked as the second most demanded programming languages in the US with an average salary of $104,000. Damn, what do you think about Java now, you little bitch? But I have to admit that Java is not the best programming language to start with because every single thing is too damn long to write, and that's just fucking annoying. So the ranking of Java will be: popularity 3 stars, demand 4 stars, ease to learn 1 star, salary 4 stars. It's PHP? No, so we're good. JavaScript. For those who do not know, JavaScript is like Java, but with a script. It is the most popular programming language for web development, and it is also the most popular for creating memes. Even though I think JS is awesome, it has a lot of goddamn nonsense things such as this, or this, or this, which makes it a little bit confusing when you start learning it. However, based on the Stack Overflow test named the most loved, dreaded, and wanted programming languages, what a weird name, JavaScript is in the 11th position. JS is like that ex-girlfriend or boyfriend that you don't like anymore, but you want to keep around just in case one day you want to, yeah. In terms of market, JS was ranked as the 3rd most wanted programming language with an average salary of $114,000. I bet you can buy a couple of Nintendo Switch with that. So this is how I will rank JavaScript. Popularity 4 stars, demand 4 stars, ease to learn 4 stars, salary 5 stars. Is it PHP? No. Good. PHP. You guys already know the answer. Let's keep moving. Python. I bet you all high school nerds are now like, oh my god, finally Python, yeah, I love Python. Chill your ass, okay? But yeah, basically almost all sites rank Python as the most popular programming language in the last years. Even a lot of big tech companies such as YouTube and Instagram use Python. Even though Python is a very easy programming language to start with because it has a very simple structure, I think it makes it harder for programmers to switch to another language that has a more extensive syntax. And we all know that annoying kid that when he sees you coding in C, he's like,
I can do that in 1 line in Python.
F that kid. Also, Python ranks as the #1 most wanted programming language in the US with an average salary of $120,000. So you may be an annoying kid, but you will be a rich, annoying kid. So this is how we rank Python. Popularity, 5 stars. Demand, 5 stars. Ease to learn, I will give it 3 stars. Salary, 5 stars. Is it PHP? Thank God, no. Swift. This is for you Appleheads. Swift is a modern programming language since it's pretty new compared to other languages such as Java and Python. And that can be seen as an advantage because it is made for today's computers. Also, in just 5 years, Swift has reached the top 10 most popular programming languages. Taylor Swift must be proud. Yeah! This may not be biased because I love Swift, but I think it is the perfect programming language to start with because it has a clear and concise syntax. Also, look at the colors in Xcode. They look pretty. Swift was ranked at the 9th position of the most demanded programming language by the year 2019, but with an average salary of $125,000. That's the highest of all we have compared so far. So the Swift rank would be like popularity 3 stars, demand 2 stars, ease to learn 5 stars, salary 5 stars. Is it PHP? No! Alright, so we have reached the end, but before we continue, if you enjoyed the video, please click on the like button and consider subscribing. I post a lot of good every single week, so you can turn notifications on so you will know the next time I upload a new video. Also, leave a comment saying which one you think is the best programming language, and if you match with my decision, then, good. Okay, now, the final decision. The best programming language to learn in 2020 is JavaScript. Yeah, you guys gotta know that a lot of people and companies are in constant search of creating a new website, so they are searching for web developers. Also, your favorite site, P-Hub, is made with JavaScript, just for you to know. So yeah, for me, and after doing all this scientific research, JavaScript takes the first place. Alright, so that's everything from me today, and until then, ciao!